Welcome to MapBhoomi. MapBhoomi is an interactive digital platform that helps builders and real estate developers transform a traditional layouts into smart digital experience. With MapBhoomi, you can upload your project layout, map every plot or unit, publish it with a public link, and allow customers to explore your project interactively. Customers can check the live inventory status and they can also filter based upon the corners like corner units, and they can get access to project images, media, brochures, videos, and location details all from one place. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete setup process from creating your project to publishing your interactive digital layout. Now, first thing, open MapBhoomi. Sign in using the email address you registered with with while purchasing your subscription. After signing in successfully, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now, first thing, before creating your first project, let's complete your company profile. Navigate to the company profile and update all the required details including company logo, company name, and contact number and address of your company. And if you are having any social media accounts, you can paste the links here. Now navigate to the all projects. We'll create our first project. Now click on new project. Now type all the information about your project like company name and status is nothing but whether your project is upcoming or ongoing or completed. So I'm selecting ongoing, and any short description about your project, and if you're having any amenities or location highlights, you can place that in a full description. And in a similar way, you can also define the unit type of your project. In a similar way, you can also select the area unit that you're measuring in your project. And here in site map type, always you need to select single map, and multi-map is for apartment. So always use single map for open plots, villas, and everything. Now in public access, here you can enable or disable the options. For example, if a customer opens the interactive link and click on plot number 6, now he can see the area, the additional area, and size and price. Suppose if you don't want to show the price to the customer, you just need to disable it. If you want, you can enable it. In the similar way, you can enable and disable all these things, and that will automatically reflect in your public layout. Now you just need to update all the location and Google Map link over here. Once you are done, simply click on create project. Now your project has been created successfully. Now we just need to configure unit types of zone. What this feature actually does, this feature allows you to categorize your unit so customer can easily filter them on the public unit. For example, suppose a customer comes to the come open your layout link and select filter option. Now he can filter based upon the zones like corner zone or premium zone, and if you select them, so only the corner units are highlighted. In the similar way, you can also create any number of unit types. For example, if you want to create a unit type called commercial unit, now type this in this box. Like what is the unit name? Commercial unit. After that, you can also select your required color over here. And once you are done, you just need to click on add type, and your unit type has been added. Now you can also configure the inventory status. Here you can define the different inventory statuses of your project. By default, MapBhoomi includes standard stages such as available, hold, and sold. If you want to add another inventory stage, suppose blocked, you just need to type blocked in the custom stage name and select the color and click on add stage. So that will add automatically. Assign a unique color to each stage so they are clearly visible on your interactive layout. Now we just move on to this inventory part. Now you can see an option called upload inventory. Now select upload inventory. Now again you find an option called upload CSV. First thing you have to do is that you just need to download the format of the inventory. Once you click on this download, you just need to save and you just need to open, and that will automatically open in your Microsoft Excel or any other Excel sheet software. So once you are done, just open that and you can find a different column name. In the first column, that is in unit number, so try to enter all the units available in your layout. For demo, I am entering only 5 units, and here you can see the options called faces north, faces east, faces south, and faces west. Suppose if the unit number 1 is facing towards north, you just need to type 1 under that column. In the similar way, if the unit 2 is facing south, type 1 under faces south, and if the unit 3 is facing west, you can type 1. In the similar way, unit 4 is facing north, I am typing 1, unit 5 and north. And after that, you just need to save this Excel and go back to MapBhoomi, and here you just need to choose file and you just need to upload this. Once you done, first try to click on dry run. So once you click on dry run, you can in the below you can see that the units that have been mentioned over there are automatically updated. Once you are done, you just need to click on commit report and everything is updated in the inventory. Now the next main thing is that you just need to map those units. Now open Map Studio. Now you just need to click on add site map and name of the site map. So here I'm using my site map name as Orchard Homes, and you just need to choose your layout. This is very simple step. You just need to choose your layout, click on open and add to project and open editor. Now you can see the map editor has been opened. Now the first thing is that before mapping, enter all your unit or plot numbers into this unit mapping numbers panel. Ensure the unit number exactly match those in your uploaded inventory. Now I am just entering 5 units. Now you can zoom this as much as you want, and I suggest you to zoom in before you map and click on unit. You just need to draw the boundaries for this. So once you are done, so you can see a tick symbol like this unit 1 is mapped. In a similar way, you can map all the units. Now suppose if you want, and this should be in the order, and you can see the unit 2 has been marked. Now you can map this in a very simple way, and the similar way I am mapping unit 3 and unit 4. You just need to apply this onto the edges of the plot and unit 5. Once you are done, you just need to click on this save. Once you are saved, you can see a notification called map saved. Now you can click on preview. So once you click on preview, so as we mapped only 5 units, you can see that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units are mapped, and you place the cursor on any other plotting, you cannot be able to see the pop-up. Now once you are done with this, now here you can find an option called draft. Now click on draft and click on publish live for visitors. Now once you click this one, the digital layout is ready to send to your customers, and that is live for everyone, and click on publish map. Now you are done. If everything looks good, then only set public link. Generate your public link. Your interactive digital layout is now live and ready to be shared with your customers. Now the main important thing is you can also upload the project media. Click on project media towards the left side bar, and here you can click on option called manage media. Here click on media type. Whatever the media type that you are willing to upload, you can click on that. I'm choosing image, and you can simply choose file and click on open. So and click on, and if you want any title, any short description, you can, and click on upload. Once you're done, you can see file is uploaded, and that will come under your library. And Once your project is live, updating inventory is quick and easy. Here in this, you can find an option called Sales Studio, Site Map Studio, or Sales Layout. So click on Sales Layout. Once you click on Sales Layout, so here you can see that we mapped only 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Suppose if a customer is willing to purchase unit number 2, so you can click on that, and if that is sold you can mark that as sold or hold, and if you're done update stage, so you can see automatically the color has been changed, and this will automatically reflect in your public as well. Suppose if you just public map, now you can see as we updated the second unit to sold, the color has been changed automatically. Again we can check with another one. Now here you can find an option called sales layout. Now suppose another customer came and he want to purchase unit number 5, but this time he just needs some of the time, and he is telling you to keep on hold. You just click on update stage. Now the color has been changed over here. In the similar way, when you refresh the customer facing, and you can see the color has been changed instantly. So in this way, the updates will be reflected instantly on your public layout as well. And the last thing is that you can also bulk update the inventory. If you need to update multiple unit at once, use bulk update feature. So now click on all projects, or you can also go to inventory management. Now click on this, and here you can have an option called upload bulk. Now here you are having option called bulk update. Here suppose if unit 1, 2, 3 are getting under, like getting under commercial unit, you can add type. Now unit 1, 2, 3 are under commercial units. When you refresh the public layout, you can see when you go to filter option and click on commercial units and click on that, you can see the unit 1, 2, 3 comes under commercial zone. In the similar way, with the help of bulk update, you can set the plot in different stages like spacing, dimensions, and area size and boundaries. And this is how you can use the system. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the entire MapBhoomi setup process. Your project is now fully configured with the inventory, mapped units, filters, project media, and public interactive layout that's ready to share with your customers. As your inventory changes over time, you can continue updating individual units or perform bulk updates to ensure your customers always see the latest project information. Thank you for choosing MapBhoomi. Happy mapping.